Understanding wall types. In Autodesk Revit architecture, we have several predefined wall types. So when we go to place a wall in, we get a classification of these walls. And they are exterior wall type. These are the walls that go on the outside of a building, and they generally have some sort of protective skin on the outside. We also have interior walls. Interior walls are usually made out of drywall, for example, uh, or gypsum board as it's called. And usually they're a metal stud or a wood stud construction. And then we'll also have a retaining wall. And the retaining wall's function is to hold back earth. And we'll retain the earth from moving inwards towards the building. We'll also have a foundation wall. And a foundation wall is a type of wall that is holding the main structure of the building. So it's basically the main part that holds up the building is the foundation wall. And then we'll have a curtain wall. And a curtain wall has no fabric in it, by the way. A curtain wall is these type of glass walls that are usually function in storefronts. So they'll have an entire glass front to the building, and they'll have glass windows, and they'll have a glass door. So typically these are on a storefront, and we can design any type of a wall that we want made out of glass. So for example, the WDC curved walkway on KCC is a curtain wall. So we can control all the different ways of having those types of walls. So these predefined wall types then will have different types of walls within those categories. For example, in the exterior wall, we have the variety of exterior walls, and we have a variety of interior walls, for example. So the first one on here is the classification or the type, and then the second one is the actual instance type of what kind of wall that might be. So we'll use these wall types so based on their usage.